How to Start Dropshipping Beginners Tutorial. Hey guys, welcome back to the YouTube channel. Today we will be discussing how you can get started with your own dropshipping business. What are some of the things you need to keep in mind regarding choosing suppliers, marketing, websites, and all of that good stuff. So let's get into it. Now, to get started, the first thing that you need to do is to search for the products that you want to sell. That is the most essential part of any dropshipping business. What are the products that you want to sell? Because if you go on ahead and pick out a product that is not very fruitful, that is not going to be very profitable, then your entire business is going to collapse. Because essential product choice, whatever are the first 5 products that you choose to sell on your store, they are going to be the most essential they're going to be the most essential deal breakers or deal makers. So you need to make sure that the initial products that you choose are super good and they are provided at a low price. So for the product launch, you will actually have to provide lower prices. You don't want to, maximize profits in your initial sales. The goal of your initial sales is going to be to create a audience for your product. The goal is not going to be to maximize profits. Obviously, you will be profiting from those sales, but you don't want to, hike up the price too much on those products. So now, taking a look at products, there are multiple different channels that you can go for. The first thing that you need to do is to choose the niche. So what is the kind of store that you want to create? Do you want to create a home and lifestyle store? Do you want to create a fashion store? Do you want to create a dog store, like dog accessory store? So what is the goal? What is going to be the niche of your e-commerce store before you get started with dropshipping? So once you choose your niche, then you can choose your product. And let's say, now, a good way to find out the best niches for you is to go onto the Amazon bestsellers. So you can go on ahead and take a look at international top sellers and take a look at the bestsellers over there to get a good idea. You can just search for Amazon bestsellers on Google. So you can just search for Amazon bestsellers and this will lead you to the Amazon bestsellers page and you can see the overall top performing products in each category. Now, what I would recommend is you choose your category to your own liking, whatever you are well versed in. Let's say you want to go with fashion and jewelry and clothing. So you can see these are the top selling products over here. You have these slides, these rubber slides are popular, like Crocs and these rubber slides over here. Then you have belt bags and you have some basic, stuff like basic shoes, tops, all that good stuff. So you can click on over here and click on see more and see all of the top sellers in that category. So this will give you a good idea of what people want, what people like in that specific category, and you want to make sure that you're able to get that kind of product for less. So let's say like people are looking at these high waist casual long trousers. So this is selling for around 22 USD and you want to be able to sell that on your dropshipping business for a lower price. So how do you get that? Now for this, you're going to search for your dropshipping suppliers. Now I would recommend using Alibaba because they are going to give you the best prices possible. However, they're not going to manage your business. However, they are not going to manage your business. They're not going to actually, warehouse any of the products in the United States if you're looking to sell there. So you're going to have some added cost or added time that you would have to spend. If you want to minimize that, you can go on ahead and go to CJ Dropshipping or BigCommerce. So you can use BigCommerce not only for a website, but you can go on ahead and just build your own entire dropshipping essential business on their platform. It's super effective, but it is going to cost you some money. However, I would recommend that if you're just starting out, you can use CJ Dropshipping and find a product with the lowest price to get started. So let's say I want to replicate this product. So I want to sell this kind of product. And what I would actually recommend you do is you take the product image and you click on save image as, and you can download any image from Amazon in this way. Then you can cross search on Alibaba. So you're going to click on search by image and then you're going to upload the image over here. You're going to click on upload image. You're going to go into your downloads. You're going to upload that image that you just downloaded from Amazon. And you're going to search for lookalike products. You can do the same on CJ Dropshipping. On CJ Dropshipping, you have to sign up with your email address to get started. And once you do that, so they're going to give you a similar product. They're going to show you all the products that they have that are similar to the product that you searched for. So right now, you're going to click on select image region. because this is like a larger image. So we're just going to wait for this to load properly. Now you can see over here on CJ Dropshipping, I'm able to find the similar kind, like so many similar products for half of the price. This product was selling on Amazon. This is selling on Amazon for around $22. $29 actually. And then on CJ Dropshipping, I'm able to find this product for less than $5. So this is yoga sports pants. These are straight thin woolen pants. So I'm able to find this product for a much cheaper price, and I can start listing this on my website, which is the next part of this video. So what is going to be the website builder that you're going to be using? How do you build your e-commerce store? Well, what is the standard? The industry standard is definitely Shopify. Shopify is going to enable you to list so many different products. You can add your business products, you can add so many different features, and it has so many easy tracking services. You have multiple different marketing options as well. However, Shopify is not available for free. So if you want to build your dropshipping business for free, then you can't use Shopify, but I would recommend that eventually you would have to migrate to Shopify. And you can get started with the basic version of Shopify. They have all the basic features that you would need, all of the essential features, and I would recommend it. It is my top pick. However, if you're going to start for free, you can create your website using Wix. Wix is also an amazing website builder. However, it is not very optimized for e-commerce, so you might want to use CJ Dropshipping to manage all of your product inventories, all of that good stuff. But you can use the website builder on Wix to create your store. I have created this store with a simple template, and you can see they create a very gorgeous looking e-commerce store that you can create for free. So I would recommend that you check that out for your e-commerce store. And once you have your website, all you have to do on CJ Dropshipping is once you have your account, you can just create your account by your email address. You're going to choose the product. So I take a look at this product, and this is like the perfect product. It is very similar to the Amazon top seller, and it is for a lower price. I would usually not hike up the price too much for a product like this, and I would just click on list over here. And then I would just go on ahead and connect this to my Google account because I already do have a CJ Dropshipping account. And I would list this on my Wix website. So I'm going to click on list. And you can click on bulk revise and add the revised price. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to hike up the price to $15. And I'm going to select all of these products. And now this is going to be the total dropshipping cost, which is around $7.09, which is around $8. And I'm going to be selling this for $15, which would mean I am getting $7 in profit. And this is $7 in revenue. Let's say if you're buying Shopify and all that, your profits might be cut, but you're getting $7 in revenue from each individual sale of a simple product like this. So you can just click on list it now and select the e-commerce store. So you can link your Wix website, or you can link your Shopify store directly onto CJ Dropshipping and then link the product from here. You can do the same on Alibaba, but Alibaba does have, higher supply times. You can find products that are available in the United States warehouses as well on CJ Dropshipping. So for starters, I recommend it. But if you're someone that is more seasoned professional, then I would recommend that you get your products from Alibaba because you're going to get the best prices, and you can sell them on Amazon from Alibaba as well. So that is another great strategy for dropshipping. If you're able to warehouse some of the products yourself, then it's going to be super amazing if you're going to sell them on Amazon. But even if you can't warehouse them, you can add the shipping time. And a lot of people on Amazon do, they're looking at the bestsellers and they're like, hey, I can probably find this at a lower price, and you can easily get people to buy your item instead. So that was it for today. Now there are some other things like your marketing. For example, you can directly link your e-commerce store, so your Wix or Shopify store, from TikTok. So you're going to link that. You can link it on Instagram so people can directly buy your product, and you're just going to make like a 2-second clip of how useful your product is. You can even take product images that are available on your dropshipping supplier, so on Alibaba or CJ Dropshipping, and upload those on Instagram Reels especially, and TikToks to get the most out of these free social media platforms. So that was it for today. I hope you guys found this video helpful. Make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the YouTube channel, and if you have any questions or queries, leave them in the comment box down below, and I will catch you guys in the next video.